How you doing? Thank you for checking in with Vet51. I'm going to just do a quick little video here regarding a ODINWORKS magazine extended release button. So I took the liberty of releasing the mag release button here, and from the other side, all I want to do is show you the piece, which is pretty cool. Okay, and the button, the two little screw holes. This is the spring, the original spring that came inside. Came with a little Allen wrench, and I got a punch that is going to hold the button in while I screw it in. So let me slide this in to hold the spring in place. Right. I do this as I do this for the layman's man. Okay. Some of us don't have as much experience, but we have some, and it's always good to ask a professional. But also those of us who do these little things here and there, it's good to find out. When you can't get to the guy that knows a hell of a lot more. So you gotta push this all the way in there. Here you go. Now I can start screwing it in. Let's see how this works out. There we go. Come on. I gotta feel it screwing in. Oh, I don't feel it screwing in. So, I know what's going on. I gotta be able to hold it towards the bottom or the top, so the punch would not be pushing up against the other side, so it's able to screw in. There we go. So here we go. Now let's see, which way is it? This way? Which direction is it screwing? It's supposed to screw it on. Is it ready tight? Yep. Right here. Let me see. Yep, there it is. Yep. Okay, cool. Punch down. Out of the way. There we go. So get the screws in there. Line it up real good, line it up so that it's easy to screw down. There's that one. There we go. Nice. Well, just like anything else, don't over tighten. You can end up stripping it. There we go there. And let me see here. There we go. Nice, nice. Now here goes the test. This is the hard part. I gotta see if it's gonna actually work. There it is. Cool. So that, even though you're here, even though it ain't that far apart, it's no biggie, but you know what? You may just do a short finger move. And there it is right there. Simple. ODINWORKS has it for 22 bucks on their website. But as they even say, you can probably find it cheaper if you do some shopping. Which I got it at a store called Shooter's Outpost in New Hampshire. And they have a lot of stuff up there. Also Riley's in New Hampshire has a lot of good stuff. They got a lot of good stuff, especially Magpul. which is a very good company. So I'm going to put the top one up a receiver, which I got a whole lot of stuff. A lot of y'all might say it's way too much stuff, but my preference. Okay, so don't want to sound rude, but yes, my preference. There we go. Okay. Let me see. There we go. Nice. Now put magazine in. There it is. Let's get another one. There we go. Now, that's the metal mags. Let's try a P-mag. Let's see how that works. Nice. The P-mags are a little snugger. That's a little issue that I think I'm going to have. I'm going to have to check. Yeah, it's a little tight in here. Some actually work a little, because I've used some more than others. So, yeah, this snug. You feel the difference. They're not as loose. But the problem is, if you want it to just drop, it won't. Yeah. Like these. There you go. Well, thank you for tuning in to Vet 51. I appreciate it. If you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe. If you don't like the video, sorry, hit subscribe anyway. I appreciate you for logging in and checking out my video, and look for future videos. And I'm, like I said, I'm the layman's terms guy here for guys who are, and females who are not experienced, but I have a little background with weapons being in the service and everything. Again, I want y'all all to be safe, be good, and carry a weapon. Thank you. Good night.